Hey everybody, we are going to review theme for our new unit, so let's get started. What is a theme? A theme is a message or lesson of the story. What question should you ask yourself while reading the passage? You should always ask yourself, what message is the author trying to tell me? Always look for a what. You should always look for a pattern, so look for repeated behaviors, look for events that happen that are very similar. That will kind of help you figure out what your theme is. You should write a paragraph about a theme. What should you not write and why? So you should not write a summary because then you are just retelling the story. You don't want to retell the story, you just want to get to the point and get to our theme. What is the sentence starter for your topic sentence? So again, this is your first sentence of your paragraph. So your sentence starter should be, I think the theme is. What word do you never put in your topic sentence and why? You never put the word in because. So the word because is meant to be for your pieces of evidence. Those are all your reasons why you think that that is the theme. So do not ever put the word because in your topic sentence. What order should your pieces of evidence go in? Of course, they should go from beginning to middle to end, or first, second to last. That's the order they should go. What are the words that show you are changing from one sentence to the next? Those words are called your transition words. So that shows that you are transitioning from one sentence to the next. So there are some examples there. First, then, last, in the beginning, second, finally. Any of those will work. After you write an evidence, what should you ask yourself? You should always ask yourself if your piece of evidence matches your theme. If it matches, keep going, but if not, then we need to double check and we need to fix that. What should your last piece of evidence do? Your last piece of evidence should wrap up your theme. So it should be, as a result of the previous two pieces of evidence, this is what happens in the end. And what is your sentence starter for your conclusion sentence? Your sentence starter should be, I learned. So that's any kind of message or way that you can apply it to your real life. That's what you would put for your part that you learned. So before handing in, now this is talking about an assessment, so you do the same for an assessment, but before you hand in anything to do with theme, what should you do? Always, always, always check it over and make sure that everything matches my theme. So that is just a quick review on theme. Hope that worked out for you, and we'll see you next time.